Bert Show fam, prepare yourself for the brilliance. That is the Bert Show's Halloween sound effect theater. I spent way too much time writing this, and I'm very proud of it. My expectations are high. Everybody in studio better not screw this up for me. Try my best. All right, so we went through. Everybody has their roles. I'm going to be playing a narrator, and this is going to be Mo's first time trick-or-treating as a Halloween sound effect theater. Bert Show crew, we ready? Ready.
Yeah.
Ready.
It's a cold and windy night.
Wind.
A wolf howls in the distance. Katie, wolf howl.
It fell off a cliff.
Yes! There it lands. Mo is trick-or-treating for the very first time. He's dressed as a teenage mutant ninja turtle. His giant turtle feet crush the leaves beneath him. Cassie, leaves crunching. Mo walks up to the first door and rings the doorbell. Rebecca, doorbell.
Doom, 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 doom. Doom.
It's a grandfather doorbell.
The door slowly creaks open. Jackson, creaking door. Kim Kardashian is standing there in one of her new nipple bras. Mo.
Well, trick or treat.
Abby as Kim Kardashian.
Well, do you want a trick or a treat?
Mo.
This is my first time doing this, so I'm not sure.
Abby as Kim Kardashian.
Oh, you're a virgin? Then come on in.
Mo enters the house.
Yeah, he does.
More like sprints into the house. Abby as Kim Kardashian.
Michelangelo was always my favorite turtle.
Well, cowabunga.
Glass shatters upstairs. Tommy, glass shattering.
Ting, 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 ting.
Abby as Kim Kardashian.
Will you please go see what that was? I'm scared, and my nipples are hard.
Say that!
Yep.
All right, hold on. Mo slowly makes his way up the stairs. He spots a door and can hear movement behind it. Then he hears moaning. Kaylee, moan!
That's what she said.
He turns the knob slowly. Jackson, knob turning. There behind the door is a man bound with ropes and gagged. The man makes muffled cries. Rebecca, muffled cries. Mo runs over to take out the gag. Tommy.
Bruh, I'm Travis Kelce, tight end for the Kansas City Chiefs and Taylor Swift's boyfriend. Can you get me out of here?
Mo unties Travis and they run downstairs. Casey and Katie, footsteps running. When they get downstairs, they see Kim Kardashian holding a taser. Abby.
Where do you think you're going?
Tommy is Travis Kelce.
Listen, you crazy psychopath. I'm getting out of here. I have a game tomorrow.
Kim Kardashian lunges towards Travis Kelce to tase him, but Mo jumps between the two of them and takes a taser to the nuts. Rebecca, sound of a taser going off. Mo, noises like you're being electrocuted. Just then, Taylor Swift busts down the door.
Mother.
What? Rebecca, door being bust in.
Boom! Welcome to the Eras Tour, bitch.
Cassie as Taylor Swift.
Kim, you've gone too far this time.
Taylor sings at an ear-piercing level. Katie, Taylor singing super high pitch. Now we have bad blood. Now we have bad blood. You know, we used to be bad. The loves, I don't know what The singing renders Kim unconscious. Taylor and Travis pick up Mo and drag him outside. They all pile into a black SUV and speed off. Jackson, car screeching. For saving Travis's life, Mo is gifted concert tickets for life from Taylor Swift and NFL tickets for life from Travis Kelce.
Cowabunga!
The end! Now you understand why I went to college, was to write masterpieces like this.
Absolutely.
Thank you all very much for doing it justice.
The Bert Show.